Good afternoon. How you all doing today? As you got to know by now, yes, this is the one and only Chris Van Sice with Live the Dream Team, Keller Williams Real Estate here in San Miguel. As promised, we are giving you an update of your beautiful brand new home of the construction in El Capricho. Asking price 11.2 million pesos. It is 430 meters squared of construction, 400 meters squared of land. And are you ready? Who wants to stare at my pretty face? Thank you, my friend. So this is a 3-bedroom house with a 1-bedroom studio on the ground floor. This is the man that made all the artwork come to life here. Now, brand new home, so still under construction. This is where the kitchen is gonna be. We made a video roughly a month ago. This is just to give you an update on the construction progress. That there is a door going to outside. Check out the beautiful view. All right. Of your backyard here. Now, we are, actually, you know what? Let's go downstairs first. Let's go down to the studio. We're going down to the studio apartment here. Okay, so let's start off the left. Check out the bathtub coming to life here, people. That's nice. Wow. That's a shower. Storage area. Wait, it's okay. Here we go. Your rooftop. It's like a little half bathroom, I think, or laundry room area. for your wet bar, your jacuzzi. Put that right in the corner. Well, there you have it. There's the update on the construction progress of your brand new house here in San Miguel and now Capricho. So if you want more information on this particular option, viewing appointment, free buyer consultation. Come on, give me a call right now. Let's make your dreams come true. This is Chris Van Sice with Live the Dream Team, Luxury Real Estate, signing off. What a beautiful day it is to live in San Miguel.